Hey developers, so let's learn how we can use text transform property in Tailwind CSS, which is very important to learn because I have seen developers using JavaScript for this simple task. But let me explain to you what text transform property actually does. So imagine you have received this text from backend and you want to make it uppercase or lowercase. So let's try using a class named uppercase. If I save this file, if I open the browser, and reload the page, you can see the text has been transformed to uppercase. Same like that, you can use lowercase. And if I save this file, if I open it in the browser again, if I reload, now as you can see, the text has been transformed to the lowercase. And same like that, if you want to make every first character of each word as capital, so let's try using capitalize. And if I save this again and go back to the browser again, let's reload one more time. As you can see, it has converted the first character as uppercase because the rest of the text was already uppercase, so it did not change anything. So let me change this to a lowercase, and you can see now every first letter of each word is uppercase. So this is how you can use text transform property in Tailwind CSS.